Hey there, welcome to the LAN party. Just to double check, you paid my friend over by the door, right? Okay, great. I've got a wristband for you right here. Oh, I don't actually know anyone working at the door. This is my first year as a volunteer. I guess that's why I'm on wristband duty. It's very simple, right? You take the sticker, you wrap it around. You can't really miss. It's a little bit of a slow job. There wasn't a rush about an hour ago, but it looks like I'm about to be doing a lot of standing around, so it's gonna be great. Oh, wait 1 second. My supervisor's trying to assign me something. You know, in training, they didn't really give us like a hand sign manual, but I think he's trying to say I can go take my break now. Okay. Wow, what a great timing, huh? Yeah, I can walk you to the main stage. Why not? Right before I take my break. I think there are some pretty cool gaming competitions going on, so. Is this your first time? Wow, mine too. I'm from the area, but it feels like I've always had something that prevented me from coming. I finally got lucky this year, though, so. I like your shirt, by the way. Yeah, it's a classic, and I wish I could have gone and got that shirt, but you think my outfit's cute as well? Oh, that's really nice of you to say. But I am a volunteer. This is kind of like half work, so we are all dressed the same. Yeah, it's okay. What do you mean I can't take a hint? What are you insinuating here? Okay, I definitely don't think this is the main stage where you're trying to go to. I feel like this is somewhere more secluded. What are you trying to do to me here, huh? A closet? Oh, you're hilarious. But seriously, I think you're gonna miss the event if both of us don't know where we're going. Yeah, I mean, I only know how to wrap paper around wrists. I don't really know how to wrap anything else, but we can certainly give it a try.